little different here. I got my screw gun, and I like these. These are 19.2 Craftsman, 19.2 volt Craftsman, and I've been using them for years, probably over 40 years. You know, and I must have a half a dozen of them or so. But this one here is starting to act up, and I don't know if it's the brushes in there or the trigger. You know. There you go. I got it full throttle right now. And it just stops and goes. See, it shuts off. So I don't know. It might be the trigger, or it could be the brushes. Like I said, I've used these. I love these guns. I've used them forever. Matter of fact, this is my favorite because this is a special edition. But there's another one. Here's two more. And I don't abuse them. I use them, but I don't abuse them. And here's another one. This is actually a hammer gun, and I put a special chuck on this one. But anyway, I got plenty of them. But like I said, I like this one. I've never had any problems with them. Not a single problem. And the reason I got so many of them is because Sears used to run sales around Christmas time. And, you know, batteries, I upgraded to lithium, but back then it was as Nike had. And you, around Christmas time, they would run a sale, and you could get the whole set. They would give you a charger, 2 batteries, and a screw gun for less than it would cost you to buy batteries. So that's why I got all these. But I've never had one of these apart, so let me put them over there, and let me get a screw. Let me see if I can find a screw gun, and we'll take this apart, find out. You know, I don't think you can get parts for these anymore. Actually, these they say Craftsman on them, but these are actually Ryobi, and maybe you can get parts for them. I don't know, but anyway, let's take it apart, see if we can figure it out. If it's the switch, or if it's the brushes. Alright, let me get a screwdriver. Alright, I got one of my screw guns here, plus loosen these up. Like I said, I use the hell out of these, but I never really abuse my tools. Could just be dirty, you know. I mean, I do use them out in the weather. Like cannibalism, using one to get the other, fix the other. Okay, like I said, I've never had one of these apart. It is quite dirty. Okay, let me look this over, and then I'll turn you back on. Alright, yeah, I sort of gave it a quick look. Yeah, it looks like it's not made to repair, you know. Like I say, it's lasted quite a while. See, this almost acts like it's good because it was intermittent, and right now it's not. Even that, I don't think there's much to that. You can see a diode here. Diode is bad, good or bad. think they used to say, a diode doesn't say ouch, it says goodbye. You know, which means that if it goes bad, it goes bad. It sounds a little crunchy, you know, like maybe sand is in there or something. Like I say, this is pretty dirty. This had a level on the top, a level on the back. Looks like it should just pop out. There we go. Got little balls in here. Got little fur balls or something. I don't know what they are. Little dust bunnies. Interesting. And I can actually see the brushes in there. I don't know how well they're connecting. I don't know how big they're supposed to be. But it does look like they're not supposed to be replaced. Looks like the only thing holding them on is that they take his back cover off. But this back cover is peened over. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow it off real good and then maybe spray some contact cleaner in here, and that's about all I could do. Look at the copper on there. Good God, look at that. That's got almost 3/16 thick. You're not going to find that on this newer stuff. Wraps all the way around. Let me blow this down and clean it up a little, and then see what we can do. Alright. Yeah, I didn't do anything to it. I just cleaned it up, blew it off, squirted some contact cleaner in here, and you know, it actually feels better. You know, before it was a little gritty. I blew that out and put this in, but like I said, it really didn't do anything. Got a battery here. Let's see what happens. See what the I'm just kidding. There we go. Shouldn't go anywhere. Let's see if I can hold it. Hey, look at that. Looks like it might be low. This will be high. That's actually low. And then this would be forward and reverse. Getting quite a spark off of them brushes. I don't know. Maybe I'll take you off the stand there and show you, some of you electricians or engine guys, motor guys. Tell me if that's normal. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see, how can I hold this without it blown away? Oh, I was going to get my arm stuck in there. I mean, when you zap and you click it, it really throws a spark. So is that normal? Is that supposed to do that? That's why they say don't use electrical tools around the fumes and gas and stuff like that. So, well, like I said, I don't know if we did anything. And tell me, any guys ever fixed a Ryobi or a Craftsman or put brushes in it? I'm just curious now. So, all right, let me put this back together and we'll see if it works. Remember I mentioned before they used to give you a charger, a drill gun, a screw gun, and 2 batteries, and then sometimes they even throw you in a flashlight. This flashlight's I don't know how old that is, but you look at it and see the wear and tear on that. Matter of fact, the rubber on the button here is deteriorated. You know, it's starting to feel like chewing gum. But even that works. Put a LED in there. Alright, let me put this back together. Alright, I stuck in a little vise here because I mentioned before that, you know, it's peened over and it looks like it's not meant to work on, but let me show you exactly what I meant. Let that focus in. There you go. Alright, if you look, like right there, you see that's peened over. You know, it's not like you couldn't push that out of the way. And then, I don't know if they would sell this whole unit in the back or what, but, you know, you got a little spot there, a little spot there. You know, you could just push them out of the way and take that whole section out. So let me know if you guys know if that part's available or what this crosses over to Ryobi, or if any of you guys have done it before. Because making brushes is nothing, you know, you could use almost anything to make a brush. So, alright, let me get back to what I was doing. Alright, it seems to be running better, but I don't think we fixed it, because, you know, if I turn it on right now, it's going to work. You know, but while I had the camera turned off, I was dicking around with it, and it did sort of stop a couple times, but it seems to be running better than it did. See, I got it on low now. You know, like I say, it seems better, but I don't think we accomplished anything other than just clean it. But let me take it down and I'll show you the number on these, and maybe you guys can cross it over to a Ryobi for me. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I'm not going to give you a number on this one because like this is a special edition, and you know, you're not going to find any information on that. But this the same gun right here. And that's it right there. 315.114480. And then there's the batteries up here. I guess they're NiCads. Made in China. You know, ain't no wrong with that. If it lasts, like I said, they last 40 years, right? I got no complaints there. Alright, what do you guys say? Enough of this? Like I say, we didn't accomplish nothing. We didn't learn anything other than you can't fix them, right? Alright, see you guys in the next one.